Children's apparel is an extremely popular market, and you can reach this easily as a custom heat printer by sourcing the right apparel and the right heat transfers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create mommy and me styles with LAT apparel and Stahls CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl. Let's start at the heat press. We're going to be using the Hotronix Auto Clam. And right now it has the standard 16 by 20 platen loaded on there, which is perfect for threading on adult t-shirts. The t-shirt that I'm using is sourced from LAT Apparel and is one of their new blackout styles. This is a great t-shirt for printing any type of heat transfer. And before we apply our heat transfer vinyl, we're doing a preheat to release any moisture or wrinkles in the fabric. As I mentioned, we're going to be using CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl, and as you can see, we're going to be heat pressing a lot of colors for this because whenever we're reaching the children's apparel market, mixed media and bright fun colors based off of the time of year is extremely popular. So being able to use heat transfer vinyl that has a lot of different colors and finishes is really going to help you sell well to this market. Whenever I'm doing multiple colors in a design, I always start with the largest piece. And this product is called CAD-CUT UltraWeed. And whenever you work with CAD-CUT UltraWeed, you're able to do a tack for each color. And then at the final, we are going to apply for the full time, temperature, and pressure. All right, so we're going to place our first color. Cover with a cover sheet and tack for just a few seconds. UltraWeed is a hot peel, so I can go ahead and remove this carrier once that tack is complete. And this helps with laying in the rest of my design colors. And we're just going to keep repeating those steps until we get to the final color. Our last color is going to be Glitter Flake heat transfer vinyl. So as you can see, we have a nice matte finish with UltraWeed, which is super easy to layer as well because it is such a thin material. And now we're going in with that glitter finish to really add an extra pop to the design. And for this, we will apply for the full application. And Glitter Flake applies at 300 degrees. So whenever we apply UltraWeed with Glitter Flake, we are going to be using that 300 degree temperature. A general rule of thumb whenever we're working with mixed media designs is you want to use the temperature of the product that applies at the highest. So for example, our CAD-CUT UltraWeed, although it does apply as low as 265 degrees, we are using that 300 degree temperature so we can ensure that the Glitter Flake is applying at the right temperature it needs. That way we don't have to worry about adjusting temperature as we're applying different products. So that completes our first application for the Mommy and Me style. So we're done with the t-shirt. Now we're gonna load on the onesie. First, we're going to unload our 16 by 20 standard platen, which I mentioned is great for loading on adult t-shirts. But now we need a smaller platen for loading on small garments. The 6x10 platen is going to help us isolate the print area of our onesie. So you can see how easy it is to just place this onesie down, and now I don't have to worry about any uneven pressure, which is key to ensuring that we get a nice application. So you can see that our seams are falling off the front of the platen, as well as the snaps of the bottom of the onesie are falling off the back. So my print area is nice and flat. Now, because I did unload my 16x20, I do need to retest my pressure and give our onesie a preheat. So I'm going to increase my pressure. Right, and we're reading out at a 3, which is a light pressure, which is perfectly fine for applying CAD-CUT Glitter Flake and UltraWeed. Right, and we are doing another mixed media design to match the mommy style. Right, so we're going to just repeat those same steps that we did with the UltraWeed and the Glitter Flake. Glitter Flake is another product that you can do the tacking method with, so we don't have to apply that for the full application. Now we'll go back in with the UltraWeed, and we will apply for the full application for this one, since that is the last piece to the design. And now our onesie is complete. LAT Apparel does a phenomenal job in having matching, trending styles across adults, youth, and children's. So be sure to check out their new blackout styles on their website. For more information on the products used to heat press these blackout styles, be sure to check the links in the description.